Hi, this is Charity Mitchell. My technique demonstration is going to be walking meditation. It's very similar to meditation where you're sitting. You just are moving your body. One of the things about it is like other meditation, is something that you can do almost anywhere. If you're at work and you're feeling really stressed and you want to take time from your desk, you can always walk down the hallway. Or if you're in your home and you don't want to go out, you can walk in your living room. You can walk out in your yard, or you can go on a hike and practice it. Go to the park. My therapist tells me that she has a group of people that goes out to the park next to her office and just takes the time. And it's about being aware and being present in your body. So you're not just walking to walk, you're taking these steps and being aware of your foot touching the ground and how your body is feeling and how your mind, and it's also, focusing on trying to be aware of those passing thoughts, but acknowledging them, but still being able to focus on the steps that you're taking and the breaths that you're taking while you're taking the steps. Thich Nhat Hanh, he has a lot of really wonderful things that he writes, and he recommends that walking meditation is a way to combine the body and the mind together in peace. So for us social workers who are needing that self-care, this would be a really good way that you can take a time out of your day to breathe and walk. Some of us do get stuck behind a desk, and it can be really hard to get out, so taking a little bit of time to do that is always really great. But this is also something really great to teach clients too, just to take that time to breathe, and by focusing on our breath and focusing on the way our bodies are moving during the walk, your foot hitting the ground and how it feels when it hits the ground, allows our brain to reset, because we're not focusing on that other stuff. It's allowing our brain to think about something different, which allows to reduce that stress that you're feeling and kind of help alleviate the stress and anxiety so that you can reset yourself. I personally haven't tried it yet, but I will be doing the technique for you guys, an example, so that you guys can see. It's the end of the evening. It's relaxing. So you're going to see me in my loungewear, but that's okay too. And for me personally, I really love the feel of the grass on my feet. I'm from the South. I'd rather be barefoot, so it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to be barefoot. The pace is all as to what you want to do. It doesn't have to go super slow. It doesn't have to be super fast. You set your own pace, which is really great. And give yourself time. They recommend meditation about 10 minutes. And you usually start out with 10 to 15 steps. Then I think at the beginning you take a deep breath, 10 to 15 minutes. Then you do your 10 to 15 steps, take another deep breath. But there's things that happen in between there as well. So that's where you're going to be very aware of where your hands are placed, your breathing, your posture, the feel of your feet hitting the ground. There is also a lot of really good walking meditation videos on YouTube. I'm sure you can come up. I have on my phone the app Insight Timer, which I find super helpful. It has music meditation and it has a good walking meditation as well. You can listen to that as you're walking, or you can just be with yourself and do it. So it doesn't matter which way you want to do it. It's just something to help you reduce that stress that you're feeling. And I think doing it and incorporating it along with the sitting meditation, rotating the two, is really helpful, giving your time, working with your mind to think of things outside of the stress. We tend to be really busy people. Everyone's running around doing things, and I know that we are forgetting to look at the beautiful things that, look at those beautiful butterflies flying by you. Look at how beautiful that tree is growing. And the meditation is allowing you to kind of be in touch with yourself, but also be in touch with the nature around you, which I really like. I grew up, like I said, in the South, and I'd rather be barefoot and be outside. But I know for me personally, that's something that I haven't been doing. So, researching this and trying this for myself is good, because it gets me back outside, and I'm able to get in touch with the ground and the surroundings, and just listening to the sounds outside, which I really like to do. So, okay, so I'm gonna stop this here, and then I'm gonna have someone film me so that I can demonstrate what the walking meditation looks like. Okay, bye. I'm outside in our front yard. You may see a dog or two pass by because I couldn't get out without them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the walking meditation. You want to take a deep breath in, hold, and let it out through your mouth. Let's do that one more time. We're going to take a deep breath in through our nose. We're going to hold to the count of 4, and then we're going to release it really slow out our mouth. Okay? Okay, and so can you back up a little? So what you're going to do is you're going to start, one of the things they say, you want to put your hands somewhere, so you can either clasp them in front of you, or you can clasp them behind your back. So there's usually a position, so either you can walk in with them clasped in front of you or clasped behind your back. I think I'm going to go with the behind my back. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take your steps, and no matter how fast you choose to go in your steps, just as you're taking that step, be aware of your leg lifting and in sitting it down on the ground, and the feel that you feel as you're touching the ground. You want to really focus on the movement of your body, your breath, and the way your feet are feeling as they touch the ground. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pace 15 steps, and then I'm going to take a break, and we're going to do another breath, and then I'm going to turn around and we're going to do another turn. Okay? Okay, so we're going to take another deep breath. And then we're just going to repeat the walk. And again, this can be as slow or as fast as you like it to be. You can feel how your heel hits the ground first. Feel the grass between your toes. I'm not sure how important it is to count. I lost my count that time, but to do that back and forth, and I like it at this time of night because you can hear all the noises of the insects in the area. So you can do that. It's recommended doing it for 10 minutes. Like I said, Insight Timer has really good, it's an app for the phone. It's got really good meditation things on there. There's going to be some music that you can add to the walking meditation. It doesn't have to be 10 minutes. You can take this wherever. You can go hiking, wherever. So, like I said, it's a really great thing to have. If you want to do it in your apartment, do it in the office. Take a break out of the office just to go walk around the parking lot a little bit. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.